Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The size of your bird will dictate how long your chicken takes to cook. Roughly speaking, it takes about 3 to 5 hours to smoke a whole chicken, or approximately 45 minutes per pound at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Smoking the chicken long and slow at a temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit allows the meat to cook slowly and absorb the smoky flavor of the wood chips. If the smoked chicken breast reads 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it is safe to pull it off your smoker to let it rest.
Take our lead.
It should not be necessary for you to wrap chicken. Holding the cooked chicken in foil once it is cooked can help make the meat even more tender and juicy. However, you do not want to leave the chicken wrapped for too long, as it will lose moisture in the process. 25 May 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use a meat thermometer and cook the bird low and slow, then when it is done, let it rest for 15 minutes or so before slicing it. Steam pans do not add moisture to the meat in a smoker. The water pan is there to act as a heat sink to prevent the temperature from fluctuating too much.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.